Summertime, I prepare a lot of jams for winter and get it ready. So I'm gonna teach you today how to do a plum jam. Sun baked, very little heat. This is the plum jam. I've previously done the strawberry jams, peach jam, apple jam, and grape, grape jam. So now this time is the plum jam and let's get in. Okay, the purpose of this is to take out the pip. It's got a pip as well. Delicious. Small to fit into spoons. Like when you take it with a spoon, it should be nice. A few of them. Gonna put the lid on. It's gonna show some weight and we're gonna zero it. Okay, so we can start putting them. Beautiful color. Show. Look at that red. Look how beautiful it is, eh? Check this. Wow. Let's say, look, we've got 790 grams of fruit, peeled fruit. So we're gonna put sugar on it. It's gonna be half of this amount, okay? So if we say 800 grams, 790 grams, but let's say 800 grams, 800 grams will give us 400 grams of sugar. You can do it in your units, like if you're using ounces, you're gonna take half of the amount of this, okay, half of the amount. That's the beauty of this recipe because it is easy to remember. Like you're gonna peel this one and you're gonna put half of the amount sugar on top of it to marinate overnight. Okay, we finished with it. We can put this in the pot because tomorrow morning we're gonna boil it. Okay, let's put it. Now this is the plum, okay? Remember what? And then let's put the sugar in. It always sticks, this brown sugar. All right. So we've done this. So this is 400 grams, half of the amount in weight. So we're gonna put this one in. Okay. Okay, remember, let's see what it's gonna look like tomorrow morning. We're gonna put the seal on because we've got ant problem. That's the reason I'm keeping everything sealed because of the ants. Okay, let's see, let's wait. Good morning. Okay, now this is overnight, so we're gonna heat it up slowly. I can feel the sugar at the bottom. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna slightly bring it to boil slowly, and then after that we're gonna squeeze half a lemon to stop crystallizing in the future, and then we're gonna leave it in the sun for it to get thicker. Okay, so let's start turning on the heat. Oops, the wrong one. So we're gonna do it slowly, all right? We're gonna turn the heat to minimum. We stir it occasionally until the sugar is completely melt, and this is gonna rise one. As I said before, it's very important. We don't boil sugar for a long time. It's not healthy. So we're doing it one rise. It's going to rise once, and then we're gonna switch it off, and then we're gonna squeeze the lemon. Can see it, maybe you guys cannot see at the moment, but the light is, yeah, the tiny bubbles are appearing on the surface. Some lemon. The bubbles increased all of a sudden, you see. It's very near. It's near. It's seriously boiling now. So we better, that's perfect. Okay, you see, it started boiling. You see it here and there. So we can switch this off, switch off the heat and the lemon. A few drops is enough. This is a very dry, old lemon. Okay. I guess it should be all right. Oh, lemon smell added, very nice. Contributed nicely. Beautiful. Okay, let it cool a little bit, then we're gonna transfer it into the glass tray, and then we're gonna leave it outside in the sun. I think we've done it. Perfect. Let's pour it slowly. Oh, lovely smell. Lovely color. Look at that color. Okay, look, it's very watery, but it's gonna get much thicker in the sun in a few days, 1 or 2 days. I keep it in the August sun. Okay, let's put the cloth over it. Okay. Now let's put the material on top of it to prevent flies and bees to go inside. Okay, let's leave it. We're gonna leave it for 2 days. But we're gonna check this afternoon to see how it is going. And tomorrow afternoon, it's gonna be ready. Okay, 2 days later, the moment of truth. Let's see what has been done. The sun must have worked all the way through. Looks good. Check that color. Look. Plum. How nicely done. This is the right viscosity. It's quite not too runny, not too watery, but it is just right texture. It's beautiful. I think it is ready, so we can start putting it in a jar. Okay, we're taking it inside now. Okay guys, we finished for today. We did our sun-baked plum jam recipe. You can still watch my other sun-baked jam recipe on the same channel. I hope you try this and tell me if you make it the same way. I would love to hear your experience. Till next time, stay well.